Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Mutadon versus a Velociraptor. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Mutadon versus the Velociraptor, let's begin with the Mutadon. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down, and that's going to curve back for the eye. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to go down and up for the actual eye. Let's make some little curved lines right around it. And then we're going to make a little line that's just going to come up and down like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down here to like a point. And then I'm going to make these kind of like pointed little sharp lines coming back. Next, I'm going to bring this line up with a curve. Then I'm going to bring this line down here and kind of down and up. Next, I'm going to curl this line up. Make a little point here and make some little bumps here. Then I'm going to make some kind of sharp points in here for some more teeth. And let's make a line that's just going to kind of come down and then back here. I'm going to make another little bump right over here just to kind of show where that other eyebrow is. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of come down like this. I'll make a couple more little bumps, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it back here. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curl. And then I'm just going to make like a few more just to kind of show where like the neck would be. Next, I'm going to make some little lines that just kind of curl around here. And then I'm going to make a little dot for the nose, and then this little kind of broken line here to show where there's like an indentation. Next, starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve, and then it's going to come down here. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curl in here. And then another line here. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make this come down, kind of curl around. And then I'll do that same thing here, and then make it come back for a claw. Now I'm going to bring this up to here. Then I'm going to take this line, we're going to curl it all the way up to here towards the top. We'll make it come to a point, and then we're going to bring this back down to here. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring this down to here and have it connect for the wing. Next, I'm going to make this line kind of come down and up, and make some more little lines that are just going to kind of come down and up for the body. Then I'm going to make this line kind of curl up and then down here. I'm going to make this line curve with a big sharp claw. I'll make a little line and come back. I'll make another sharp claw here, and then one more here. I'm going to bring this down and in, and then curve around for the foot. Next, I'm going to bring this up here, and I'm going to curl this here. Next, for that other leg, I'm going to bring this line down and then back. I'm going to bring this down. We'll make a big claw here. And then we'll make a smaller one here, and then one more here. I'm going to bring this up and down. Then I'm going to curl this to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, or up I should say, and kind of bring it around here for the tail, and then I'm just going to kind of curl it back. We'll kind of bring a line to here to kind of show where that tail is going to be. Next, I want to make the other arm over here. So I'm going to bring this line out. And then I'm going to curl this down with a claw. Then I'm going to make another claw over here. I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then down. Then I'm going to make a long line coming down here for the wing. Make this line come down and then right to here. Then we'll connect this line here for the back. Next, starting here, we're going to make the raptor. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line. It's just going to curl up and down for the eye. Then we're just going to make this line curve here for the actual eye. We're going to make a couple little lines coming around here. I'm going to make this line come out and then over. I'm going to make this line come around to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. And then I'm going to bring this line down here, and we're going to kind of curl it up for the jaw. I'm going to make a little line here for the back of the mouth with some lines. And then we're going to make some sharp teeth in here and some more sharp teeth right across here. I'm going to make a little bump here for the other part of the eyebrow and a line here for the nose. We'll make a little broken line for like that indentation. Next, I'm going to kind of curl some lines around here. I'm going to bring this line down for like the chest. I'm going to make this line come down to here. I want to make some sharp claws on here. I want to make this line kind of come up and then around here for the arm. Make a couple little lines there. Next, I'm going to bring this line out, put a sharp claw here. Then another sharp claw here, and then one right here. I'm going to bring this line up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up for the back. I'm going to bring this line around here for the back leg. We'll make it come down at an angle, and we're going to put that big sharp claw in here. And then we're going to put two more sharp claws. I want to bring this up and then into here. Let's curl this up. Bring this line down, and I'm going to bring a line up here, and it's going to come around here for the tail of our Velociraptor. We'll curl this line up and then bring these lines up here. So now we have our basic shape of our dinosaurs. Let's come in here and add some of the details. So on the Mutadon, I'm just going to make some more kind of lines coming here, kind of right around the neck area, and then right around the mouth. Make some broken lines here. And then just some lines right around the arms. We'll make some claws here and add some extra little lines there. And then some extra little lines right around here. Make some little lines around here. And then some broken lines up here too. And we'll add some little lines here and then some extra little long kind of broken lines all over here too. And some little extra lines here. Next, I'll make some broken lines right along the back of our raptor. And we'll make some lines kind of coming down the back and a few curved lines where the neck would be. We'll make some broken lines along the face. And then let's put those little extra lines right by all the claws on our raptor. Make some little lines kind of right where the knee would be. And then some long lines kind of coming up the arms and legs. Make some little curved lines right here. And then some more little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Mutadon versus a Velociraptor from the new Jurassic World Rebirth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.